Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Ian Carlos TV. So before I unbox the bag that I bought from Louis Vuitton a while ago in Ginza, I have to take care of it. So I don't have a table, so I'm gonna stand up. So this is the bag that I bought from Ginza here in Tokyo. So I have waited for this for a long time. Like I think I waited for this for almost 5 months or 4 months, because the last time I got this last 6 months ago, I think that was December, January, February, March, April, May, June, December, since the last time I got this one. Ready to open it? Let's do it. Okay, so I have a tip for you guys if you want to save the ribbon, because it's really hard to do this. I don't know if it's hard for you, but for me, this is hard for me to do, like the ribbon. So you just pull it up. So next time, if you want to put the ribbon back, you just gotta never mind, I'm going to...
Never mind, he's gonna go back to Louis Vuitton store. So, are you ready? Yay, Louis Vuitton! So, let's just open it.
My god, you guys, you cannot see my face.
Ta-da! I don't know how to pronounce it, but Poche Métis, I don't know. Let's ask Google. Hey Siri! This is what she said.
Pochette métisse. Pochette métisse.
It says Pochette Métis. Whatever. So this is a Pochette Métis. It comes with a strap, of course. But while going Tokyo, while I was walking with my niece, we saw a man. He's really an old man. He was wearing this one with a cane and carrying a pochette métis in the middle of Tokyo. Like, wow, he's really brave. And I got excited because that day I'm gonna get my pochette métis in the evening. So I was like, I really want to go to Ginza as soon as possible, but I was working that time, so I couldn't. But he didn't use the strap. I was talking about the old man, because here in Japan, like old Japanese men used to carry a clutch and what's that bag? Yung bag ko? Tote bag. They really want this kind of bag, like clutch, something like I'm gonna show it to you. I can't explain it. The people here, most of the men here used to use this kind of bag because it's easy to carry, you know, if you're not working or whatever, something like this, or the tote bag. A lot of men here use tote bag, like the square one, rectangle one, because it's really convenient for them. Because whenever they go to work, they can put everything, blah blah blah, whatever. So anyways, we're gonna focus here in pochette métis. So there's 3 compartments. You can put your things here, here, and here. And also there's a zipper here where you can put something else too. Ta-da! And also you can see most of the pochette métis, the date code is here. So the zipper is here, the date code is here inside. So FO means made in Italy. 2, 1 means 21 weeks. So, or 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. First week of June. Because it's June 14 today. This is the strap of it. It's really beautiful. I feel like I don't want to sell it anymore, but I don't want to use the pochette métis. Still with sticker because it's brand new. Yes. I didn't took a video while I was in the store because my SA is going home already. She actually overtime for me. What am I doing, right? We're done! Yes, bitches. You like my pochette métis? I just want to show it to you guys because I know that you all want this. This is very hard to get in the Louis Vuitton store and hard to find this in the pawn shop because there's only a few in the store. So of course, if you check the pawn shops and the thrift stores, especially here in Japan, because Japan has a lot of thrift store and designer brand, thrift stores and pawn shops in the world. 100% sure about that. And I always go to the thrift store almost every day because my work is just 5 hours a day. I actually like the pochette métis in reverse and the monogram. And then recently they're making epi pink, epi whatever. I don't know the names. I don't know all the names of the Louis Vuitton, but recently I've seen a lot of pochette métis in different print and different letter. But I still prefer to buy the monogram because this one is classic and it looks really Louis Vuitton because, you know, monogram shit. When I was in the LV store, there's a lot of Chinese every day in Tokyo, in Ginza, especially in Ginza, and they always walk around to the designer brand, especially in Ginza. Yeah, there's a lot of Chinese people there. Like, they're super rich, they buy everything, they hoard or whatever. So when I was there's a Chinese couple walking around, and then when I was checking my pochette métis that I reserve, and they were looking to my bag, and then they were asking if this is still available or do we still have this in stock, or can they take a picture or whatever with this. But I told them that it's mine already, so don't touch it. Go away from me. No, I didn't say that. Just kidding. Yeah, it's too bad because they felt bad that they cannot buy this anymore because it's really, really, you know, hard to find. Not really hard to find, but it comes, you know. Why am I explaining too much? Let's end this shit. I'm selling designer brand, especially second hand, and some of the hard to find the bags and the Louis Vuitton and to some designer brands too. And yeah, just check my Instagram. You can check it daily. I think they're gonna stop making the pochette métis because I've seen a lot of people now wearing this one, but I'm not sure if it's fake or not. You know, you'll never know. I don't know what's in Louis Vuitton. My therapy. This is my stress reliever. Even though sometimes I just want to visit the store, just want to look and dream inside. and I don't know, it makes me feel so happy. Like my heart and my body is like, ooh, you know, energy. I think this is my therapy. It makes me so happy, even though my wallet will be sad. Ano daw? It's really cute, right? But what I don't like is it's not for men, but it doesn't look like it's just for women, right? Oh yeah, it's too girly. I look like a shit gay. If I will copy the old man in Tokyo a while ago, still looks like for women, right? But yeah. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. I hope you like this bag that I bought a while ago. If you want to ask the price, it's around 2,000 US dollars. It's not really bad for Louis Vuitton, for designer brand, because you know you can sell it, or you can sell it to the pawn shop, you can sell it to the thrift store, auction it, or whatever. You can give it to your daughter when you're old already, or whatever. You know, designer brands are good as investment. It's really a good investment, because you know, when you just put your money on the bank account, it's really boring. Like, what will the money do into your bank account, right? Why not just buy those worth buying things in life, and then later on, if you don't like it anymore, you can just reverse the money. Like, I mean, like, you can, yeah, as I said a while ago, you can sell it to the thrift store, or you can auction it, right? You'll get your money back after all. So yeah, money in the bank account is boring, so buy whatever you want. Spend your money, because life is short. Never know until when will you stay here, right? So yeah, enjoy your life, be happy, and make people happy. That's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Yeah.